The rich history of Iran's clothing industry dates back to ancient times, where craftsmanship and design merged to create garments of timeless elegance. Today, this tradition continues as Iran produces high-quality apparel, exporting a variety of clothing such as shirts, trousers, and women's wear. With an emphasis on quality, diversity, and modern designs, Iranian fashion appeals to global markets, offering a perfect blend of tradition and contemporary style. Known for its unmatched quality and durability, Iranian leather holds a place of pride in the global market. The craftsmanship behind each piece of leatherwork reflects the deep-rooted heritage of the Iranian leather industry. From supple textures to long-lasting performance, Iranian leather products are synonymous with authenticity and superior quality. When it comes to footwear, Iranian leather shoes stand out for their exceptional quality and craftsmanship. Combining traditional techniques with modern designs, these shoes offer unmatched comfort, durability, and elegance, making them a preferred choice for discerning buyers across the world. Iran's textile industry plays a significant role in producing a wide range of fabrics, from suit fabrics to upholstery materials. With advanced weaving techniques and vibrant dyeing methods, Iranian fabrics meet the demands of both fashion and interior design industries. Whether for tailored suits or luxurious furniture coverings, these textiles showcase Iran's commitment to quality and innovation. No outfit is complete without the perfect accessories. Iran's fashion industry offers a variety of clothing accessories that add the finishing touches to every look, enhancing beauty and elegance with their fine craftsmanship and detail. Iran also shines in the production and export of high-quality bags and luggage. Known for their durability and style, Iranian bags and suitcases are trusted by travelers and fashion enthusiasts worldwide, making a strong mark in the global market. The Iranian textile industry also caters to the home and hospitality sector, producing high-quality bedding products such as pillowcases, bed sheets, and hotel linens. With a focus on comfort, durability, and luxury, these textiles ensure a restful experience for customers at home or in the finest hotels around the world.